Okay, so after you've turned on the ignition, you may notice a yellow bulb symbol with an exclamation mark within it in your dashboard. So if I just show you what I'm talking about, and if it focuses, it's this symbol here. So this is known as the bulb monitoring light, and that which means that action is required, which is denoted by the yellowish color. Now if I was to this is basically your car letting you know that you need to change at least one of your car headlights. Obviously this is a very useful feature for obvious reasons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out and check, and I should see at least one of the lights not working. So you can see that this back one's working, backlight's working, this backlight is also working. In terms of the front, this front light is working, however this front light isn't working, so there's a problem, and that's a very useful feature to have in your car to denote that it's not working. So basically just change your light and afterwards it should work. Now if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if it works for you.